It's so sunny today, and I just felt the urge to go out and connect a little bit with nature, and also do some outdoor practices, because I haven't done that for quite some time. I've done a little bit of that in Thailand, but other than that, it has been quite some time where I would come out and do my practices outside, because it was cold. So let's see. Just want to do a set of Surya Shakti by the water, and with the sun rays falling on me. Hey guys, I just finished my practices, and I tell you, there's nothing more, not much, there's not many things that are more, rewarding or fulfilling than doing yoga practice outside in nature, in a place like this. So now I'm just gonna sit here and I'm gonna have this one. See you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm walking back right now to my place. Like I said, it's super amazing to do practices outside. If you haven't done, try it. My guru, Sadhguru, he said that if humans would just live in nature, a large percentage of their spiritual process would just be taken care of, or would be so much more simple compared to the lifestyle we have, So there's so many other people who have said similar things, especially people who are in some way creative people, artists, and other people in other fields. They always used to connect with nature in some way or another. It's a very common theme. And if you do this, you will definitely, you'll know it. I'm sure you know it yourself, that it has a powerful impact on us. So I feel that yoga and spirituality and nature, being in nature, go hand in hand. And a lot of people I know who started to do yoga, they felt more inclined. They started to go more into nature and enjoyed it much more. So for me, it's the most beautiful thing. Anyway, guys, that's enough for now. Alright, I see you later. Let me know how you feel about nature, okay? It would be really interesting for me to know. So I would be happy to see some comments. Just share your experiences with me. Alright guys, bye.